welcome back to my page, guys. Y'all already know I'm back with a banger. As you guys don't know by the title what this video is about, this is my cousin. If you guys didn't know, introduce yourself.
You can follow me on Instagram at 𝒞𝓆𝓆 and you can go and subscribe to my YouTube at official 𝒞𝓆𝓆.
Go and subscribe to his YouTube at official 𝒞𝓆𝓆. Y'all already don't know he dropped his mixtape, so go and check it out.
Mixtape, that's one audio
his song. So go and check it out.
Yes.
Like, encourage him to drop some more songs because he's really good at it, guys. So y'all already know what we're gonna do here. You can see he has a lot of hair, right? So we're gonna comb it up, make him look a bit fresh up and stuff, right? So if you guys like this video, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what hairstyle we should do next. If you guys interested in this video. He actually do a lot of videos as well, so go and check him out.
Link in the description.
If you're new, hi there, I hope you're doing fine. Give me a big thumbs up, go and subscribe down below. We'll give you some time.
5 seconds. If you don't do that, we come in my hair and you don't want that. You
done? Okay, great. Thank you. Okay, so let's just get into the video. Oh no. Video, guys. So he just, what is this again?
Afro Comb.
He just buff out his hair with this Afro Comb. What I'm going to be using is this comb here to comb out his hair because it's a bit tough, right, guys? I'm going to use this for the parting of the parts, right? I'm just gonna use it to part the hair. I don't know if some of you guys do this, but this is what I'm going to use. I have a comb here as well, but it's not the let me show you. It's not this one, right? But this one is not as pointy as this one. You guys understand, right? Yeah, so I'm going to use some vitamin E just to pass it through his hair once I'm finished. His hair is already moisturized and everything, so I'm not going to put it in as yet because his hair will be too greasy and the rubber bands won't really fit, right? So I'm using these rubber bands, black rubber bands, and I'll be using the Indian hemp just to put a little in his hair to get it prepared, right? So guys, that's all I will be doing. And yeah, so let's just start, right? So as you guys can see by the picture right here, he wants that hairstyle, right? So we're gonna try and attempt it. His hair not all that long.
Long, that's what I'm trying to say. All that long, it's good.
His hair not all that long, but we're gonna figure it out, right, guys? So just enjoy this video. We won't be talking much. I might probably do a voiceover to this, but definitely give me a thumbs up, right, guys? So we're just gonna fast forward it, show you guys what we're doing, and get into this video. Thank you. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to part his hair in 4, right? So that's just what I'm doing. The reason why I use what is this? That edge brush / comb is because it had that pointy edge that I was looking for. The other combs, however, didn't have it. So that's just what I'm doing. I'm parting his hair in 4 just to separate it and get it ready for the rubber bands, right, guys? So all the information for the products will be down below in my bio, right? So I'm just trying to figure out the right part for his head. It was a bit crooked, but I figured it out at the end, right? So that's just what I'm doing. I'm gonna put it in some rubber bands in 4, right? So that's just what I'm doing, guys. So for the parts, I'm putting it in a triangular shape, right? So as you can see right here, and I'm going to put 2 rubber bands each part, right, just to get it more firm, because I realized when I used 1 rubber band it was bursting. So I used 2, right, because his hair is a bit coarse, so the 2 rubber bands were strong enough to hold. So yeah, so I part every part in a triangular shape because that's the picture that I showed you guys before, right? So I'm doing exactly what he wants in the picture. So yeah, that's just what I'm doing. I'm parting it to suit, and I'm putting 2 rubber bands for each part. So yeah guys, if you guys didn't already know, my cousin is a YouTuber. He recently renewed his page with new content for you guys, so you can definitely go and subscribe to him, follow him on his socials. All the information will be down below, right guys? So definitely do that. So I'm showing you one part of his side already completed with the rubber bands. All the shapes are in triangles, right guys? So yeah, that's just one part completed, 3 more parts to go. Yeah guys, I'm just doing this hairstyle. It wasn't hard or anything like that. It was pretty easy. It turned out pretty well at the end, so stay tuned for that. I just wanted to do something, you know, for him, style his hair, because his hair was really in a mess. So, you know, due to this lockdown and everything, you know, barbers wasn't open or anything. So I just literally helped him out, and I was like, you know what, I can probably make a YouTube video. So that's just what I did, right guys? So yeah, so definitely tell me if you like these type of contents down below, and yeah, I will definitely be doing more for you guys. Yes guys, so the front section of his hair was completed, as you can see right here. So now I will be moving on to the back, right? So I'm going to do the back of his hair. He was so annoyed, guys. I'm not even going to lie. But yeah. So I'm just going to renew his part to the back because it got a little bit crooked. His hair was really coarse, guys. But I must say he had no dandruff or anything like that. So yeah, he keeps his hair pretty well. It's just that, you know, with coarse hair, it tends to look, you know, a bit messy and stuff. So yeah, that is just what I'm doing. I'm going to part it again, and I'm going to start putting rubber bands to the back. So I completed his whole hair with rubber bands, guys. It was a bit hard to see because his hair was really thick, so it hid all the parts and stuff, but that's okay. When I plait it, you guys would see the finishing product, right? So yeah, this is just his hair fully separated to begin plaiting. guys, I was feeling myself a bit and he was just so not in the mood. But that's fine. So yeah, I'm going to begin plaiting it for you guys. What I'm gonna do first is just see if I can section it off again back in 4, because I realized the hair was interrupting me a bit. Okay guys, so when I was plaiting his hair, I didn't do plaiting it in 3, however I did it in 2. So what I did is I sectioned it in 2, and while I was plaiting it in 2, I twist it as I go, right? So you guys will just see there, I was twisting it while I was plaiting it in 2, right? Just to get it a bit more lengthier and for it to interlock well. So guys, this was honestly the easiest part. All I had was to do was plait in 2, and his hair wasn't really hard or anything like that, so it was really easy for me to plait. So I'm going to plait that for you guys. Oh my gosh, that looks so nice, honestly. So yeah. So this is one part of his hair already plait. So this is just to show you guys. It looks so cute. Yes, I'm going to do the other side. So this is his hair fully completed, guys. I didn't get to tape the other sections because apparently it wasn't recording. But guys, this is his hair. This is the end product of his hair. So what I wanted to do next was to add my oil, my vitamin E oil in his parts, just to keep his hair moisturized and hydrated, so when he tie it down it won't be, you know, dry or anything like that. So that is just what I'm doing. I will leave that information down below for the product, right? So I'm just blending that into his part so that it's not as obvious. So yeah, so he changed and tied down his hair. So I'm just going to style it quickly. You don't have to do this, guys, but this is a little hack that I do. I'm going in with my Pro Concealer. I'm not sure what shade, but I'll leave the shade down below, guys. And I'm going to take my brush and I'm just going to add a fake part for him, guys, because he was a bit afraid of me going in with the razor blade to actually make a part for him. So guys, I created my own. I'm a bit extra, but yes guys, I did it. Trust the process, right? This is not how I left it. I blend it in after, right guys? So yeah, tell me down below if you like this little hack that I did. I've seen a lot of guys doing it. So yeah, definitely comment down below if you think it's fire, if you think he looked cool with it, guys. I really thought he looked so handsome. So yeah, like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I would definitely appreciate it, right guys? So yeah, I'm just leave this video to play out for you. You can watch what I'm doing. I'm just patting around his mark, right? His official mark, that is. So yeah, I'm going in with a cotton pad and I'm going to blend it out, right? I'm just going to blend it all out evenly so it's not that obvious, right guys? Okay, come true blend. I am obsessed with this look. So I'm going to blend it in a bit more. So yeah guys, comment down below if you guys would do this. I don't see no problem in doing this, guys. I mean, girls wear makeup, so why not guys try it out, right? I mean, it's not much, so definitely try it out and tell me what you think, guys. He looks so fire, he looks so lit. I love this hairstyle. Oh my gosh. Yes, I'm just giving you guys a close-up. I'm going to add a bit in his part just to enhance the look, right guys? You don't have to do this, but this is just what I do sometimes. Okay, go off, I guess. Yeah guys, thumbs up this video, thumbs up. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. But now y'all don't know, gang. Definitely go and subscribe to my cousin, guys. Y'all know he looking fresh. At the beginning he was looking a little tough, but as you guys can see, my cousin looking freshed out. Y'all know COVID and stuff, you know, you can't go by the barber or anything like that. So yeah, y'all don't know he going to drop a video soon. So definitely go and subscribe and check out his videos, right guys? So yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you like this look. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.